pandemic continues.
Hi everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my hotel room, and today I have a Kogoda. And what this is, I guess it's not a Kogoda, this is the brand Kogoda, and what it is it's a 13.3 inch digital display. And so I have my laptop here, and what I'm gonna do is connect it up to that so I can have a second screen. I mean, how sweet is that to be able to have a second screen on your laptop with this? You see this box is fairly big, but the monitor is nice and thin and small. I already looked at it inside of here, so we're gonna check it out and let's see how this looks. So we're gonna open this up. Actually, if it does support HDMI and stuff on there, we'll show you how it all works when I open it up here. So here we go. So I already did, this thing here was over the screen and I took it off. Whatever. So it's not I'm not doing a true unboxing because I already kind of opened it up a little bit before to look at it, and I was trying to do a video earlier and my green screen thingy wasn't working and whatever. So it comes with some padding here, and then here we go. We got this. It comes with a screen protector, which is really sweet. So I mean, I didn't put it on its plastic and stuff. I mean, so I think what this does is this will make it a shinier screen versus what's on there to start with, which is a matte screen. We have a piece of styrofoam. I'll bring it up a little bit higher here. And then here is the monitor, and it comes with I'll show you this in a second, but I'll show you. It comes with the wires for it. It comes with this one here is like the mini HDMI to the normal HDMI, so you can hook up a Fire Stick or connect it up to just a HDMI on a computer or something like that. And it comes with the SD. Where did I put it? I don't even know where I put the black one, but it comes with a SD wire. This one here is not. This one here is one. Oh, I think I have it. I'm using it to charge something already, but it came with an SD plug. So let's check this out and see how it works and what it does. So what I liked about it too is you can kind of see this. It's super thin, and then you open it up, and this case, you see this. So this case is like, it reminds me of like an iPad case. So it's kind of like that, and you can kind of aim it with the little flexibility there and put it up there so you can have it aimed at you. But also what's cool about it is it's all magnetized, so you can actually take it off completely and just use this as a screen. I mean, this screen, am I gonna reach here? Oh, that's where the black wire is here. I'm using it to charge my MacBook. But you can see it's even like the same size as my MacBook screen. I could just use that even instead. It's almost as thin. So it's pretty cool. And let's hook it up and we'll see it in action here. I'm just gonna try to magnetize it back on again. Is that the way it goes, or I have it backwards? I think it's a little hard to figure out which way it goes to close it up. Is it that way? Not sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there, now it's magnetized on there. I guess, oh, it was. Maybe not. Does it go over the top or the bottom? I'm not even sure which way it goes. Okay, so it doesn't go this way. It must go this way. How many times am I going to try this? Okay, finally. Okay, so there, now it's magnetized with this. But we do want it open for this purpose. So we're going to put it here. I'm going to aim it a little bit so you'll be able to see it a little bit here. Let me move this stuff around. There we go. So there, let's see if I can aim this down a little bit without it falling. So there's that. And now I'm gonna plug this in to the micro USB port on here. And then I'm gonna plug it into the micro USB port on my laptop. Here's where it came with. Okay, so let me see how I can do this. So apparently what it takes is you have to use the black wire that it came with I don't know, I tried using just a little white wire that I had and it didn't seem to want to work. Although this wire could be broken for all I know. I haven't used it for anything. So whatever, but it does. So, okay, so I just have my laptop is right here, and you see it has a wire out. I don't even have it plugged into the wall currently. So it just goes out, and then on this monitor it goes in. So it's actually getting the power and the screen from my Mac, which is really sweet. So let me, I'm just gonna hold this up for y'all while I do this. So let me see if I can slide a screen over. It's kind of weird. I'm just editing some YouTube video, but you can kind of see, you can slide the screen over. I'll hold it this way here. And where's my, I don't know where I lost my mouse. But, okay, but you get the idea. So you can see how good the quality is. And I mean, because I'm editing a video, everything just got slow on my laptop. And I'm probably going to run out of battery while I'm doing this video as well. But you can see it works really well. The screen is awesomely thin. It's got a little on the side here. I'll show you the little buttons it's got. So it's got the little power button right there, and then it's got a volume up and down. So you can kind of do that. And actually for the settings, I guess if you're going to go through the menu options, you can do different menu options and settings on it and everything like that. So that's what's on this side. And then there's another USB-C port, and then on this side here where I have it plugged in, here's the mini HDMI port. So what you would need if you wanted to hook it up to another device is you would have the mini HDMI plug like this here. It's hard to see. Let me see. So I would plug it in here the right way. So I plug in my mini HDMI, and then I get a normal HDMI on the other side. But if you wanted to plug in like a Fire Stick or something like that, you're gonna have to get yourself one of these little things here. And what this is, it's a female to female adapter. So that's kind of what I use when I'm configuring my Fire Sticks and stuff, is I plug in this thing here like this, and then I can just plug in my Fire Stick or another HDMI device into there, or you could even just extend the cable. But if you're just going to plug it into a computer that has HDMI, you don't need any of these things here. I just happen to have one here because I was configuring Fire Sticks. I'm going to edit. Okay, and so this is the Pagoda, and it's you can see it right there, the K1301R 13-inch portable display, and it does the HDMI, and there's some other information there if you wanted to see what it is. And I'm giving this a super thumbs up. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you can see so you can see it for yourself. It's pretty inexpensive. It's way cheaper than, I think I ran out of batteries. Darn it. Well, oh wait, no I didn't. It just went into screensaver mode. But but what it is so much cheaper like than getting a new monitor. Like I had a broken laptop monitor at one point, and I had to spend like $300 or $400 on getting a new screen just for a screen. I should have just gotten this thing here. It was one of my kids who broke it. I should have just gotten this and let him use this as a monitor instead for half the price or less. So these are just totally cool and totally portable. So if you need a second screen for your monitor or something like that, you can just take this with you, stick it in your briefcase. It's probably about the same size physically as my laptop. I'm not going to close it because my video is still processing, but you can see it's about the same size as my MacBook Pro, slightly larger with the case on it, but not much. So I could just fit that into my briefcase. So it's perfect, and it's an awesome size and everything. And the little wires plug in and come out really easy. So it's just the best little device ever. So this, I'm giving this a super thumbs up because I can use it for so many different things. I can use it for an extended monitor on my computer, and I can use it to configure my Fire Sticks, and I can just take it with me for anything. If I just want to watch TV and take it to a hotel instead of watching on the hotel TV, I can just watch on this with my Fire Stick or whatever. So it's just awesome. It's like a whole TV. It just does everything. So I can't say anything more. It's just awesome and great. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews as I do reviews of different things. And the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.